My client had decided to take his motorcycle for a ride on the backcountry roads. As is common, a dog gave chase. This time it was a little too close. My client ended up in the hospital for weeks. My name's Ben Schmitt. I'm an attorney practicing personal injury and insurance law in Missouri and Kansas. My client came to me because of this accident. A dog had run out in the road and had started chasing him, but got too close. The dog got under the front tire and caused my client to flip his motorcycle end over end several times on the pavement. He came to see me to understand what, if anything, could be done. You can't sue a dog. But recovery was made from the dog's owner. This is how the case proceeded. As we began to understand the man's injuries, we fully documented them in the first place. The injuries to his face and hands were gruesome. Road rash, term you're probably familiar with, is everywhere on this person's body. We documented it with photograph after photograph for presentation to the insurance company. Once we understood the magnitude of his injuries by reviewing thoroughly his medical records, by understanding what future treatment and limitations he had, we were ready to present a claim. The claim was made this way. Even though this was a rural area, it was our contention that an owner of a dog has a reasonable duty. In other words, that they should keep their dog from running on the highway, both healthy for the dog and for passing motorists. As the case proceeded, we found even further that a leash law was in fact in effect in this rural community. Once the claim was presented, the insurance company understood the nature of the case. Why? Because of the thorough documentation and what we had done to present this claim to them. In fact, how I present my claims is to mark every medical record and picture as a trial exhibit. That way the insurance company knows we're serious when we process the claim. Why am I telling you this? If you're watching this video, it's because you've had an accident, either on a car or motorcycle, and you have questions about what to do next. I can answer those questions. It's what I do every day. My name is Ben Schmitt. Thank you for watching.